Another fucking fort. Huh.
Again. Even though you guys didn't even get the limit that we wanted.
Yeah. Did you?
Nope.
Yeah, Walmart. I don't know if you can see that. Hold on. There's a truck over there too.
Yeah.
No one cares. Like, no trucks though. What?
That's what the plan is. So we're gonna check out dog food and toilet paper and see which one's better. Less people in it. And then we're gonna get McDonald's and bring it into the fort.
Yeah.
We walked for 2 days. We walked 2 days to get here.
Yep.
2 days.
Yeah, I'm working, nigga. Look, it's the return of the Mr. Burn suckers, not herpes infested, just perfectly blessed with a style that you can't F with. Protection.
Halfway done. So we only have like a little bit more, right? Fort so far. We're gonna expand more. That's the door. There's like hella Walmart workers.
I need you to get in there. Look to your left. There's like a wall behind you. Just pushing this open like before. Like look. Here, get yourself like some padding. So you can move on. Go.
Oh yeah. Does it work better?
There's 2 layers. There's double.
How are we doing so far?
We're almost finished. We just need to get those 3 and the doors in there. So we need to close it.
Yeah. Wait, did you get the top layer of it? Like, cause we need to leave a top layer for the thing.
Huh?
We need to leave a top layer too.
What do you mean top layer?
Like, so we can't be seen at all.
There's nowhere we can be seen.
True. Except for here.
Well, we should push these out.
Yeah.
Push these.
Put like another.
Like this, like that.
Yeah.
Everything's off.
Lavender. Alright, make sure to close the door tight though. Yeah, tight though. Close the door tight.
Hold on, we're that. I'm gonna get in there and fix it.
Beds?
Fix it. You good?
For the fort.
And we got food.
Yep. It's probably the best one we've done.
By
So,
far. By far.
Next thing's gonna be in the fort, probably.
His old shit, knowing he won't top it. False prophets. Somebody should have told me it would be like this. Be like this. Be like this. Somebody should have told me it would be like this. Be like this. False prophets. Somebody should have told me it would be like this. Be like this. Be like this. Somebody should have told me it would be like this. Yeah, false. I got a homie, he a rapper and he wanna win bad. He want the fame, the acclaim, the respect that's been had by all the legends. So every time I see him, he's stressing, talking about niggas don't fuck with him. This shit is depressing, and I know he's so bitter he can't see his own blessings. Goddamn, nigga, you too blind to see you got fans, nigga. And a platform to make a classic rap song to change a nigga's life, but you too anxious living life. Always worry about the critics who ain't never fucking did it.
Yeah, because we'll be our own.
Video. My stuff. What? What?
Some little girl saw me leave, and she was like, I don't know if you guys saw it, but some kid like broke our fort.
Yeah.
He put it back together. He was like, "Sup, my dudes."
Yeah, he was like, something, my dude. Yeah, we
The good
could
thing he was like, but when I got out, some little girl was like, "Daddy!" She saw me, so she was like super young. She was like, she like started running away from me.
GG. That was fun.
That was honestly freaking.
Like and subscribe if you enjoyed that. Probably not, but you know. Bye. sideways at first.
Hmm?
Why didn't you do it sideways?
I did.
Like, you did it this way for me.
No, I didn't. Bro, shred it. Shred it, bro. Bro, shred it, bro. You actually went far with that one.
Huh?
You actually went far with that one.
I would get this.
Dude, they have hoverboards. Hoverboards.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, bro.
Yo! How much is that, bro?
How much is that? Let's play football. Hey.
Ooh! Ooh! NBA, no.
Other side ready to catch it.
Ooh! Yo, dude, you alright? That's my... No choice.
Alright, go. One more try.
Swear.
Oh! Jeez.
What? You're like that. You like turned the corner too.
I know.
Where you going? Where you going? You're still going, what the heck? Ooh. Let's go put it away though.
I can't believe how far I went.
I know you
We're all the way over there.
You're like way over there, dude.
But being a real nigga got me a deal. I want all these hoes to know that a real nigga just hit the dope. No more Versace, get off of my clothes. I did not beg for this fame, I was chose. I can act different with all of my flows. Thug never sit in the flesh and the soul. I was that nigga that